It is Friday, a couple days before Christmas, and it is 60 degrees out and raining. It's pouring out. But we're under the tent. We're at the Foxbody. I picked up this MSD Distributor last week for a score, and we're gonna put it in instead of this. I think my PIP sensor in the distributor is bad. Instead of replacing that sensor, place the whole distributor instead. And I got this for cheaper than a brand new stock one, and it has the Streetfire TFI module on it too, so can't go wrong with that. So we're just going to show you how to put it in the car real quick and get her done. All right, so first thing you want to do is mark your rotor. So JT put a little Sharpie mark right here because we're replacing it. Now if you're just putting it in for the first time, then you need to go find cylinder 1, but if you're replacing it, you just pull this one out and you put the other one back in the same way, and you spin the rotor until it goes to where this one was. So what we did is, because I'm going to use the same cap, because this one I bought is brand new as of last summer compared to that one, which seen better days, I just pulled the cap off, left all the wires plugged in because why not, and then now we're going to take you're going to need a 1/2-inch socket, a wobble or swivel socket, 12-inch extension, and then you just go in here. We're going to remove this distributor.
Hopefully don't pull out the, okay, good. Because this is where your oil pump shaft goes to. Yep. And sometimes if it clamps on, you'll pull it out with it. That's a pain in the butt to put back in.
Yeah, so you got old Motorcraft.
Now you're good.
Alright, so as you can see here, we just put some oil on it just to be safe rather than sorry. And now we're going to slide her in. Try to get her back to the same spot she was.
Yeah, so you want to have the rotor just a little bit before where it's going to mount, because it'll turn into place.
Oh, fuck. Whatever this is just dropped in. Fuck. That's not right.
Oh. So just take it out a little bit. Spin it to here. I want to put a little bit before. See how it spins when you throw it in? Yeah, like that. Close. You might just take it out and spin it right where it was sitting, like that. Yeah.
Perfect.
Alright.
Now well, I remember it was like this, but
yeah.
We're gonna have to time it anyways.
So like I said, we might be a few degrees off, but as long as it was kind of in line with
that.
You bring, yeah, get that. There you go. Oh, kind of pointing at the ground.
But okay, next step, we're going to put the bolt back in. You guys don't need to see that. And then we're going to grab the time light, fire it up, and then time it. Now when you time it though, tip is, where's that thing? You need to take out this plug right here.
It's called a spout, or a spout connector.
It's going to warm up for a little bit. It also doesn't have that stout in, which is left a little point. And it's got a couple month old gas in there too. There you go. so the MSD is in. It's timed. It runs real good. Way better throttle response. Worth every penny I spent on this. I would highly recommend it, or even the better ones, because this isn't like the billet aluminum. It's just a cheaper MSD. But even the higher end ones, well worth the money. And the car has way better response. And I would love to drive it and can't wait to drive it and see how she does. But we're gonna. It's time now, but we're gonna retime it on a nicer day when we can actually test and tune it. But right now it's parked in the tent for the winter. But I just wanted to throw that on there just to see how she runs. I'm gonna probably toss that or just hold on to that as a spare, and I'll probably end up buying the actual MSD cap that's like 40 bucks. But other than that, runs like a top. That's how you switch out a distributor. And stay tuned for all the other builds we got coming along. Thanks for watching.